Hello everyone! I would like to introduce a new program called T-Sketch. T-Sketch is a flexible infinite canvas for real-time collaboration, drawing, and visual thinking. Sketch, illustrate, take notes, and present live on any device. This program is perfect for teamwork, brainstorming sessions, tutor meetings with teacher and students, as well as for content creators and collaborators. T-Sketch features a simple and intuitive interface. At the top you can see the main toolbar. I will go over each tool in more detail later. On the left there is an extensive panel of drawing tools and their settings. By default your canvas is set to 100% zoom and a zero angle. As mentioned earlier, T-Sketch offers an infinite workspace, which you can clearly see when zooming out. You can also rotate the canvas freely or lock it at zero angle to ensure your project stays perfectly aligned. The CTR indicator shows your position relative to the center of the canvas, as well as all objects placed within it. In the top left corner, you will find two arrows for undo and redo actions. Next to them is the layers icon, which we will explore in more detail. At the top, you can see the file name. By clicking on it, you can rename the file, add a description, and check which team and project the document belongs to. At the bottom, you can also see statistics, such as the number of objects in the document and how much memory it uses. Moving further down, you'll notice that the hand tool is selected by default. It allows you to navigate the interface and create objects. If you switch to the pointer tool, you can use it as a viewer to highlight objects. This tool is especially useful for teamwork when multiple people are working on the same project. On the right side, you can choose the pointer color. At the center of this panel is the core feature, layers. T-Sketch allows you to work extensively with layers, rearrange them, edit them. As I show in my example, I'm renaming my layer and manage their properties. Each layer shows how many objects it contains. You can hide layers, adjust the size of the objects inside of the layer. As for example, I'm changing the size of my title. You can change their opacity and color. As well as lock them for easier work with other layers. When selecting objects, all objects across all layers are selected by default. If you want to limit the selection to a specific layer, simply click Active. This will restrict the selection to objects within that particular layer. In our case, I'm selecting only the text objects located within the Notes layer. All other objects in different layers remain unselected. As you can see, the colors and outlines are not active in this selection. Only the text objects are highlighted. Next, we have the Selection tool. As you might have guessed, This tool allows you to select objects, including filtering them by type. By default, all objects are selectable, but you can choose which types of objects to exclude from the selection. The lasso tool helps you select specific objects within a defined area. You can also choose to select locked objects, unlocked objects, or any objects. As mentioned earlier, all objects across all layers are selected by default. If you want to limit the selection to a specific layer, simply click Active. This will restrict the selection to objects within that particular layer. So, in our case, only objects inside of the outlines layer will be selected. The next icon, Measurements, provides tools such as a compass and a ruler. These tools are especially useful for architectural or other projects where precise measurements of objects are required. If needed, T-Sketch allows you to turn your document into a presentation. You can customize slide settings and add as many slides as required. Thus, you can turn your live discussion into a finished presentation right during the meeting. The Drawing tab includes a wide variety of tools for drawing and writing that you can use to create your projects. When you first open a document, you will see a limited set of default tools. You can customize your tool set by clicking Manage and select Show All to access and enable the full collection of tools. T-Sketch primarily uses vector-based drawing tools, but it also offers a collection of raster brushes highlighted in light yellow. Another fun feature of T-Sketch is its set of animated brushes, which are highlighted in purple. These brushes allow you to bring your project to life and create engaging visual effects. Honestly, this is one of my favorite tools to work with, and I try to use it whenever I get a chance. In my example, you can see samples of these brushes. Just imagine how you can bring your document to life and add a nice touch using animated brushes. Each brush comes with its own customizable settings, and you can choose any color for your work. Double-clicking the color in the palette will open the Copy Color wheel. The Shapes icon opens a panel where you can create different shapes. Simply choose the desired shape, select the brush you want to use, adjust the size and color, and then click Add Shape. Once created, shapes remain fully editable through the menu on the right. You can modify the brush, color, and other settings, or fill the shape with any color you like. You can even create shapes using animated brushes, giving them a dynamic, alive effect. With the Lines icon, you can create various types of lines as well as arrows. Line creation follows a similar process to shapes. You can choose the type of line and adjust the number of bends or curves. This feature is especially useful for presentations. In the Text tool, you can add any text you need. T-Sketch offers a wide variety of fonts, including handwritten styles, allowing you to bring more personality and expression into your work. T-Sketch also includes a built-in symbol library, which can further support your project. Simply type the name of the symbol, choose a color, and click Add. You can also insert images if you need to use references while working on your project. In the Eraser tab, you can adjust the eraser size and choose specific object types to erase. At the bottom of this menu, you will find the Clear Scene button, which removes all objects from your document. In the top right corner of the main menu, you will find the Cut, Copy, and Paste buttons. On the far right side of the canvas, you will see the collaboration icon. Here, you can copy a link to your document, either in view-only mode or edit mode, and share it with team members you want to collaborate with in real time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more T-Sketch tutorials. See you in the next video.